About a minute after I shut off the camera, this Lennox Merit Series heat pump comes on. Pretty sure it's going to be running in heat mode. Yep, heat mode. And it's actually pretty quiet. And there's the gas packs I just filmed. Can't believe my camera battery hasn't died yet. Yeah, I can't even hear the compressor. All the noise seems to be coming from the fan. Yeah, that's really, really cold air. And like I said, it's definitely too warm to get a defrost cycle, unfortunately. Okay, so that is the 2016 3.5 ton Lennox Merit Series heat pump running in heat mode. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.